So you may be stuck in this really weird situation where your Instagram Reels are basically stuck at 0 views. So this can happen for a lot of different reasons out there, but if you go through into any Instagram Reel, maybe it's your friends or maybe it's yours, you might be seeing that any of the Instagram Reels are just stuck at 0. Now, the first thing I'd recommend doing, and the main reason why this ends up happening, is mostly because for one, your Instagram Reels, maybe just nobody's viewed them. So if you can see from mine, like if you just see these Reels, it's probably not going to be, I don't know how many Reels. But if we go to Kim Kardashian's page, and if we were to swipe to the side, you may see that some of these Reels may be stuck at 0. Now again, if it's my personal page, nobody's going to view my Reels, so they're going to be 0 views anyways. But if it's a popular page like this, that may mean Instagram is just having some weird server issues, and you're basically just going to have to wait it out until they fix those problems. So you can always make your way over to a website like downdetector.com or isitdownrightnow.com, like one of those types of websites that shows you what's up and what's down. And in those cases, all you're going to have to do is basically just wait it out until they fix those issues. Those are usually the number one reasons why this ends up happening. So in that case, it can just be random glitches or something like that, but that's the first thing. Now the other thing, if all the Reels are still stuck at 0 views, you may just want to go ahead and update your Instagram application. So make your way over to your app store, just like this. You're going to click on the search button, and all you want to do is go and click up to here, and you want to go and type in Instagram. So type in Instagram as you basically normally would, like this, and all you're going to want to do is update this application. Like I said, for a lot of people, if this app is not updated, that can be another reason why you're running into this problem. So just update the application, and that's another thing I'd recommend doing as well. If that's still not working, you may just want to give it another minute or two, and then check back and refresh the page, because maybe it was just a reel that they just posted or something like that. That could be another thing that can be causing problems, so you may just want to wait it out there too. So that pretty much covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.